This is the story of Magnum Clothing Private Limited, a company that has pioneered manufacturing of garments for over 52 years. At Magnum Clothing, the heart of manufacturing is neither the machines nor the process. It is the people who put their heart and soul into their work every single day.
Hello, my name is Shiva, the purchase controller at Magnum. When Magnum Clothing first began, I wasn't even born back in 1969. I remember starkly as a young schoolboy, we would go on these field trips to big companies. It was always an exciting day. And now, every single day, I work at a state-of-the-art facility in a giant industrial area. Imagine my excitement. I have made friends here at Magnum who have been working with me for the last 18 years. Honestly, I have known them longer than I've known my school friends. I am Shiva. I am Magnum.
It's true. I've known Shiva for the last 18 years, and it's been a great working experience. I am Palanisamy, and I am the general manager at Magnum Clothing. One really fascinating thing about Magnum is the single-piece flow. We cut, stitch, and pack the garment in a single-piece flow using the Toyota production system. You know, in my childhood, we would get together and all of our friends would make a vacation project together at one person's house. It makes me feel like that. Due to Kaizen and continuous improvements, the team doesn't have to stress itself too much. The company has a buy small, buy more philosophy, and that is how we deliver consistently. Reduce, reuse, recycle is our motto at Magnum. I am Palanisamy. I am Magnum.
I am Durga. I take care of the sampling and technical department. I make sure that the commitments made to the clients are fulfilled. Takes me back to those days of college when we'd have deadlines to finish our projects. No matter what, we'd finish it in time. And even at Magnum, once the deadline is set, we achieve our target. As a software engineering student, seeing the massive shift in technology and the implementation of it here at Magnum, the 3D modeling technology, the DJI box, and the meticulous planning that goes into fulfilling every order, everything runs like clockwork. I am Durga. I am Magnum.
வணக்கம், நான் தான் முத்துலக்ஷ்மி. நான் இந்த ஃபேக்டரியில் மேனேஜராக இருக்கேன். எனக்கு 2 பசங்க இருக்காங்க. நான் வீட்டில் பல வேலைகள் செஞ்சு பழக்கம். அதனால இங்கே வேலை செய்ய இன்னுமே ஈஸியாக இருக்கு. நிறையவும் கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். என் ஃபேமிலி என்னை நினச்சி ரொம்ப ப்ரௌடாக ஃபீல் பண்ணுறாங்க. எனக்கும் என்னை நினச்சா ரொம்ப ப்ரௌடாக இருக்கு. இங்கே நிறைய லேடிஸ் கூட வேலை செய்கிறாங்க. இங்கே பெஸ்ட்டு என்னன்னா, மாத கடைசியில் சேலரி கரெக்டாக வந்துடும். ஹெல்த் கேம்ப்ஸ், லோன்ஸ்னு நிறைய ஃபெசிலிட்டிஸ் இருக்கு. அதனாலவே இங்கே வேலை செய்ய ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கு. எனக்கு இந்த துணியெல்லாம் செய்யும்போது என் பொண்ணு தான் ஞாபகத்துக்கு வருவா. அதனாலவே இதை நான் ரொம்ப விருப்பப்பட்டு செய்வேன். நான் தான் முத்துலக்ஷ்மி. நான் தான் மேக்னம்.
Hi, I'm Ravi Singhi. I manage Magnum Clothing. Company was founded by my father in 1969 in Calcutta. In 1984, we moved the manufacturing to Chennai, and he emigrated to London to open up a design and marketing front office over there. I guess things have never ever been the same again for all of us since then. The foundation and bedrock of this company came from the value systems and the modern outlook that my grandmother and mother had. That's something which has stayed on till today. The success we've had over here to make Magnum ethically sound, a sustainably sourced and produced business to make clothes for women and girls is primarily because we all want the same thing from the business. We want to make it a progressive, forward-looking, futuristic manufacturing model where we give the customer not only value for money, but without any ethical dilemmas they might face. It really helps when we are wanting to make a difference, we're wanting to have a circular economy in our business. It's been a phenomenal journey of 50 years plus. I think we've rewritten a lot of the rules, but our value systems have remained consistent. And that's the consistency which makes me want to come into work every day and strive for a better environment to work in and to work alongside some great people here.
Our future looks fashionable. Our future looks sustainable.
I am Magnum.
I am Magnum.
I am Magnum.
I am Magnum.
We are simple, we're unique, we are Magnum.